Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an AI chatbot to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. And here right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So just wait for it to load. And then once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, go all the way down to the bottom and click on edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this tab. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. Once the page is loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find some AI tools right here. So right now, if you want to add a chat box, or chatbot, just go to Add Apps. And then once you're here in the App Store of Wix, go to the search bar and search for AI chatbot. After that, hit enter. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. And then as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of chat bots. For example, I'm going to add this one. Give it a click. Then you're going to be here in the page. Click on add to site. And once you do that, you need to just agree to some terms and services. So go ahead and check this box right here and click on agree and add. Once you do that, the application will be added to your site. And then you're going to be able to use the AI chatbot. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.